And what's up, y'all? In this video I'll show you how to change your hard disk and how to change your RAM in your laptop. This is an old laptop. It's an Acer Aspire ES1711. So yeah, let's get straight into it. First you gotta unscrew this screw and pull the CD drive out, and then unscrew all the other screws. For some reason I had a hard time pulling like the back plate off. I don't know why. I have a prying tool, but you can use anything like that's soft and that's not gonna do any like physical damage to the case. But yeah, I pry it open. I finally got the back plate off, and now let's get straight to taking out and changing the hard disk. Very important, always pull out the battery. You don't have to take it out, but just pull it out because you can short circuit the board. And now, pretty straightforward, just take out these 4 screws. Now you're gonna take out the hard disk after you unscrew all of these, and then you're gonna plug out the cable, and then you're gonna take the casing off of it. Now I will not be changing my SSD. This is just the other one I have for reference. The one I will be again putting back in is the 750 gigabytes, and the old one is only 250. And now again, to put it back in is just the opposite of what you've done before. Put on the case and then plug it back in, and then just screw it all back in, and then you're good and you're done with the hard disk. Now let's go to the RAM. You just gotta be careful. You have to take something and just pry like the sides away from it, and it will just click upside. Don't worry if it's springy, it's supposed to be like that. It will just pop back up and like this, and you're all good. You can take it out. Just be careful. Some laptops or PCs have like more slots. This only has 1, but it's fine. This is a stick of DDR3. This is 4 gigabytes, and I will be upgrading it soon to 8 gigabytes. When you want to put it back in, you just gotta press it down. I was scared I was gonna break something, so I helped myself, but you don't need to do this. You can just press it down and it will click in smoothly and nicely. Don't forget to plug the battery in. Some people just forget it, and yeah, it's a common mistake. And surprise, the PC works again. It just takes a long time to boot because it's a slow hard drive. But yeah, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.